Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be discussing a pickup I got from Supreme. So this falls in the sneaker reviews, I guess you can say. Maybe a little bit of money tips as well, because we'll talk about a little bit about resale value. But yeah, this is a Supreme Opinel number 8 knife. So I'm going to do an unboxing today, and then just talk about the product in general. So hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos like this. With that being said, welcome to Rituals. Let's get to it. Okay, so I got this right here on November 12th. This is from a week 12 pickup from Supreme. And I got this online. So I thought it was pretty cool. Cool little knife, pocket knife. I needed a knife actually to do like unboxings, future unboxings, because before I was using scissors and didn't have a box cutter or whatnot. So I thought this would be pretty cool pickup. So this is the box that it came in. When it came with a couple of Supreme stickers. I showed you guys some B-roll already. If I haven't, cut to the B-roll right now.
Perfect, 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 perfect.
Came with a couple of Supreme stickers and then this box. So as we open the box, this right here is what it looks like. You got your Supreme logo. You have your Supreme branding on the wood handle. As you can see, the blade is enclosed into the wood. Now on the actual blade, they have a little groove where you can, pull it out. Now this blade is very sharp. And so it was kind of interesting seeing it on the website, because I know kids do a lot of shopping on Supreme. So it made me wonder, is this safe for kids to be buying? Me personally, I wouldn't let my kid buy this. But and the reason why I say that is because it's a number 8. And I did research on Arizona, the state laws out here about pocket knives and can you actually carry it. So I'll give you guys a quick little law lesson here as far as Arizona. You have to check your own state laws because every state law is different. But out here, you can only carry a pocket knife that is 4 inches and below. And the number 8 right here stands for 8 inches. That's why it's called number 8. So with that being said, out here in Arizona, you cannot legally carry this on hand. Now, if they caught you with it, it probably wouldn't say much because, it's not like no super blade or anything. But just letting you guys know, it can come with consequences if you carrying this on person just out and about in Arizona. So just FYI. But anyway, back to the review. It's a very nice knife. Comes with the with the loop as an extension on the handle. I guess because you can tie it to your keys if you want to or whatnot. Very nice branding, of course. It comes with a locking system. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see. See where they focus in on that. This right here, the locking system. Okay, so what you do is you slide that over like that. And you see, that's unlocked. That's in the unlocked position. So when it's in the unlocked position, you can put your finger nail or whatever in that little groove, and you open it up like that. Now when it's in this position, it's not locked unless you, once again, take this and slide it like that. So now it's in the lock position. Can you guys see that? You see how sharp that blade is too, right? But yeah, now it's in a lock position. So right now it won't move because it's locked. So that is what it actually looks like opened up. And like I said, it's a very sharp knife. This retailed for $48. Let me go ahead and close this up because like I said, I don't want to actually have an accident on camera. You guys may love that. It may go viral. but I don't care about going viral. I damn sure don't want to hurt myself. So let me close this up and let me lock it. So now it's in a lock position. You can see it right there. That's what it looks like locked. So if I try to pull it, the groove right here, it's not going anywhere. That's as far as it's going. So not going anywhere. So I recommend anyone who has this knife or a similar knife that has that locking system, whenever you have it closed, lock it. Whenever you have it open, lock it, because you don't want to be holding this and it's not locked and that blade come down and hit your hand. Won't be good, because like I said, this blade is extremely sharp. But anyway, this right here retails for $48. Like I said before, I got it pretty much to open up boxes, just do little miscellaneous things around the house. It's basically considered a hunter's knife, so it's just good for all kinds of stuff, carving stuff, cutting little simple things of that nature. The actual company is called Opinel. I think they've been making these pocket knives in France for years, these hunting knives in France for years, so it's a great brand. I think the actual price without the Supreme logo is ranged between, I think, 10 to 20 bucks for one of these. But of course, with the Supreme branding on it, you know the price goes up because the brand has value. So yeah, the retail price was $48. And let me check and see what StockX has it listed for today. So currently on StockX, the highest bid is $59. The highest ask, of course, is $64. But the actual highest bid is $59. If I were to sell it for $59 after StockX take their fees and everything, that would be, I would take home like $50, roughly $50 and some change. So based off the product costing $48 and then with tax, I think it was over for $50. If I was to sell this for the lowest bid on StockX, I would actually lose a couple dollars. So resale value, to answer your question, no, there is no resale value with this product. But it's all good. I didn't buy this one to resell, but like I said, when I do these videos from Supreme, I purchase stuff from Supreme. A lot of things from Supreme do have resale value. So when I purchase things from Supreme, I normally talk about whether or not it has resale value on that particular product, just to let you guys know. I don't flip everything, but some things I do. But like I said, I bought this one because I needed something to do my unboxing videos and actually cut stuff. So you'll be seeing this knife being utilized in future videos when I'm doing unboxings. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the review of the Supreme Opinel number 8 knife. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. My channel is also about sneaker content, car content, money financial tips. And lately I've uploaded a couple gaming videos because we have the Xbox Series X. So I've been doing some next gen gaming. So if you're into any of those topics, this is the channel for you, and I recommend you smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. Also, smash that thumbs up button before you exit, and go watch some other videos. Go check out the playlist. I got a money tip playlist, I got a car content playlist, and I got a sneaker review content playlist. So if you only like one of those topics, go check out the playlist. Let me know your thoughts. Hit that comment section below. But once again, thank you guys for watching Rituals. Y'all have a blessed day. And we out. Peace.
Perfect.